The Boston Red Sox take on the Minnesota Twins Saturday afternoon, 2:10 Eastern Time at Target Field. Here are your starting pitchers presented by People's United Bank. Rick Porcello takes the mound for the Sox in his 7th start of the season. Porcello is 5-3 with a 3.44 ERA and 11 career starts at Target Field. Since surrendering 8 runs to the Tampa Bay Rays back on April 14th, the 2016 Cy Young winner has strung together 3 quality starts in a row, despite being issued a loss in each outing. He could have better luck today, though, as the Twins will counter with Nick Tepesch, who's making just his 2nd start since 2014.